We're going to take a quick look at the GBPUSD Technical Analysis, and we've got a British pound versus US dollar chart here in front of you daily. And let's take a look real quick. Let's get it to the daily. This is a daily chart of the British pound versus US dollar. Green 5-day moving average, red 20-day moving average, blue 200-day moving average. And let's see, basically we came up, made a slight new high, it looks like today, just barely made a new high today, and has closed down on its lows, down about 0.5% for this currency. No big deal today with this currency. It barely put in any volatility at all. That's we're going to take a look here in a second in the hourly chart, but that's an indication I think it might be running out of some steam. It's still above the 5-day, still above the 20-day, but below the 200-day. So this is still in a bear market. Let's see what the hourly chart looks like. So we can see on the hourly chart is starting to seriously roll over. We have, for the first time since back here in October, 25th-ish, that it's now moving average. The 5-hour moving average is significantly below the 20-hour moving average. So this currency is definitely rolling over. I think what's happening here, this currency is not overbought necessarily. I think what's happening is it's running into the fact that the interest rates in the United States are so much higher than they are on the British pound. It's just a fact. And I think that we're starting to see that. It's really not possible for the pound to overcome the interest rate differential, and that is probably what we're running into now. I don't expect that the pound is going to all of a sudden rally up to 1.25. I think that the pound is just going through some political turmoil over there, and I think we're going to resume our downward trend here. Although I have to say, this chart from a daily perspective, it doesn't really look like that. It looks like it's putting in a rally, but I think it's starting to roll over. So we'll have to see. Let's see what RBM Research says about it down here. And my commentary, by the way, is all for entertainment purposes only. Let's see what RBM Research says. We have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day trading day holding periods for tomorrow, the 28th. The GBP USD is buying at 1.154 across the board. That's 1.154. Let's go up here and take a look and see what that looks like. 1.154 is right about here. Right about there. So that's pretty aggressive. So that's what it's got for tomorrow. And keep in mind, it's all for entertainment purposes only. You definitely trade at your own risk. You can't use our information for anything other than entertainment, but you can get access to it every morning before 7 a.m. to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all algorithmically generated every morning before 7 a.m. Everything, including the currencies, is usually updated after 6 p.m. the night before, except for crypto. That's after 8 p.m. So if you want some early access, you can try it, and usually you'll find it updated the night before. Link in the description below, rbamresearch.com. Go over there, put your email address in, sign up for free. No credit card required for immediate access. Again, everything's for entertainment purposes only, including the commentary and the entry prices. You trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear from the comment section below.